Dapat yun yung plano mo ngayon.
Hello! Apa bakar? Kapung ka? So yan, nandito kami sa airport right now. And magbo-board na kami. Ang mga words na natutunan pa lang namin ay salamat po tong at ano yun? Terima kasih. Ayun na. May passport. Ayan. You're in. Ayun sila Alex. Alex! Ako ba kayo? It's very cool. Touchdown, Malaysia. Here we go. Here we go. Thanks for carrying my stuff. Because I'm me. You can't see it, but my boots. Yay! Hello. We're here. Hindi ko alam saan kami pupunta. Sinusundan ko lang si Alex. Just following the horde of people. Let's go.
Stairway to heaven is...
They walk very, very fast. Especially Alex. May habol ba to? Uwi ba siya ulit ng Pilipinas? Ang bilis ah. Meanwhile, me. So slow. Oh my god. Guys, I don't know if it's just me, pero parang ang tarik ng escalator nila. Parang nakakakaba. Parang isang maling galaw ko lang patay. Oh my god, yako. Ayun na ulit si Alex. Run, run, run! Run, run, run! Hi guys! We are currently looking for Alex's SIM card. At ang bilis na maglakad guys. Tingnan nyo. Ayun, ayun na siya. Nakaliko na siya. Ang bilis. Grabe. Iwan niya kami talaga. Kawawa naman yan. Ang nag-iisang lalaki. Ay magbibit-bit ng sandamakmak na gamit. Siyempre, alangan pagbit-bitin mo ako. Me and my heels. Ayun na. Si Angel, wait guys. Bibili lang akong SIM. I need my internet. Why is the screen blinking?
Hello! Dito na kami sa aming tutuluyan.
Yes, we just arrived sa Airbnb. Let's go! So it's a loft type. Akit tayo. Dito lalagay yung shoes. Wap. Ayan o, dalawang. Ayan, meron din pala sa gitna.
Oo, tatlo pa eh.
Madami palang bed. Dalawa CR. What's this? CR. Ah, ito toilet. Toilet and bath.
Ano ito, balcony? Bukas ko na yung bubuksan, nakatakot.
Siya ata yung nakatanggal ng sapatos.
Hello! Yan yung mirror.
Ganda ng unit.
Check. Hello!
Buksan na ito, ito na ito.
Kay Haggard. Haggard Versosa ang cake. Ayun no. Tapos
Dito.
dito papanoorin namin si Stephen matulog. Tignan natin kung may laman yung ref. Wala. Walang laman ng ref pero naka-on siya. Bumaba na ang mga bata. Naguguto, maghahanap ng food and water. Tulog na ako din. Late night walks.
Night walk, first night.
Late night walks. Pero punta lang kami ng 7-Eleven.
At the entrance,
Abubakar.
Ang tarik talaga ng escalator nila.
Harap lang kami ng drinks and food. Kasi tatlo sa amin, di pa kumakain na si Alex di pa umiinom ng tubig, di ba? Ano to, bar? Kumakain na kami ngayon dito sa labas. Bumili kami sa 7-Eleven. And guess what? Ang aming first meal sa Malaysia. By the way, natanggal yung coco kainis. Boom! Noodles. Cup noodles. Noodles. Tinapay ang kinain nito. Noodles.
Sa laman ng 7-Eleven nila.
Parang masamang pangitain to para sa mga ilang linggo namin dito. Guys, ay. First day.
Good morning nila.
Oh, something. Ay, salamat pagi. Ayan, first day. Mamaya mag-fit check kami, guys. Watch out. Dito na kami sa elevator lobby. Si Alex ay pink ang team today. Jill, Stephen, me, and Angel. Black ang theme. Black and white.
I'm so confused.
One. Wala silang jeep.
I'm so confused. Dito na kami sa baba. Tadan! Icon City.
They're here. Yun na yung Pasig River.
There are 9 floors of academic block, so this is where we have so it's all our classes and they are shared.
Here in Taylor's.
We're already here. See? And we're already with the team. And I'm April. We're taking a walk around the campus. I wore shoes, rubber shoes. No more boots for me today. Sobrang sakit ng pako.
Space, we have our graduations. Like that. It's not meant to give you a lot of work, it's just to divert your attention. You know, instead of just being a tourist, walking around, you see things in a slightly more conscious light.
Mas malamig naman dito. Oo.
Pinas parang binablower ka sa mukha naman.
Sa bahay, kahit nakasando, 1 second pa lang. Pawis na.
Napeke tayo. Manic mask.
Look at my food. It's only 15 ringgit.
Food check. Cheesy, big chicken. Ano yan?
May kamay,
Ano to?
pork grilled. Ay,
Ah.
chicken grilled.
Just chicken. chicken curry.
Ang anghang.
Egg stipend. Chicken. Fried chicken.
Gusto ko na lang may
We ordered here sa Classic Bowl and then si Stephen, dito siya sa face-to-face noodle house.
masarap naman.
Yung food niya, chicken, na may egg, na may dilis, tapos
Sarap
may...
ng dilis. Kumakain ka.
May dilis? Oo, sarap nga eh. Tapos may free siya na drink. Tapos kay Alice bumili din siya ng pandan.
Okay lang ba?
So during the night, Jalan Segar will be turning into the Pasar Karat, and this will interrupt the flow of the traffic around the site.
So what is a behavior that can happen when you give a pedestrianized street?
What happens you're building during Pasar Karat, how you're engaging with the Pasar Karat, that's also very important. So I find that what is lacking is you engaging with the existing social contact points. You mentioned you got notes, but you don't describe what the notes are. Who are the people? What's the spirit of that place?
Very cute.